Welcome to Technoland Expert. On the marketing functionality side, the template is optimized for promotions, upselling, and SEO. Promotional banners can be placed in sidebars or main sliders to announce new collections, seasonal discounts, or special bundles. Product cards can display cross-selling suggestions, e.g., customers also bought or frequently paired with, which increase average order value. Sale badges automatically update when discount rules are applied in the back-end, ensuring consistency between promotions. And customer-facing displays. SEO optimization is baked into the clean code, alt tags for images, and blog functionality, helping stores rank higher on search engines. Integration with analytics platforms allows businesses to track user journeys, abandoned carts, conversion funnels, and campaign performance, enabling data-driven growth strategies. The blog feature, though not shown in detail, plays a crucial role in content marketing. Furniture and lifestyle stores can publish design guides, home decor tips, trend insights, or styling tutorials, driving organic traffic and positioning the brand as a thought leader in interior design, while internally linking blog posts to product categories increases the likelihood of conversions. Blogs also enable social sharing, which extends marketing reach across platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook, essential channels for design and lifestyle-driven e-commerce. Furthermore, the sale page link in the header highlights the template's ability to centralize discounted items, an important marketing function since sales drive traffic spikes and customer loyalty. Combined with badges on product cards, the sale functionality ensures users can both explore discounts site-wide and encounter them contextually within categories. The collections page likely allows businesses to create curated assortments such as minimalist office decor, Scandinavian living room, or eco-friendly bathroom essentials, helping inspire customers with themed shopping experiences, which is a proven strategy in lifestyle e-commerce. This HTML code builds a modern, visually engaging Save Water-themed web page with structured sections, external resources, and interactive elements, and its functionality can be explained as follows. The document begins with a standard HTML5 declaration and meta tags that ensure proper character encoding and responsive scaling across devices, while the title sets the browser tab name. External resources are then linked, including Google Fonts, Font Awesome, and 2 custom CSS files for layout and design control. The body starts with a hero section that acts as the first impression of the site, wrapped in a section with ID hero, inside which a container houses, where alternate letters are styled differently with class equals color change to create emphasis and visual dynamism, a descriptive paragraph explaining the importance of water conservation and sustainable living, and a large CTA button donate reinforcing the mission of the page, while the right section contains an image of a planet, img/planet.png, wrapped in a styled div, symbolizing Earth and linking the theme of water conservation to protecting the entire planet. Following the hero, there is a display section class equals display, containing a grid of Glassmorphism-inspired product cards, .glass card, where each card showcases an image, a title, a short description, and a Book Now button, creating a futuristic, translucent design effect for featured items. These cards, though labeled as technology products, showing how dynamic interactivity can be integrated into otherwise static layouts. After the product section, the page ends with a social icons bar containing Font Awesome icons for Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok, providing quick access to social platforms and extending outreach potential for the campaign. Stylistically, this structure allows the external CSS. Thanks for watching. If you are still watching this video, contact us and get the source code.